Hi guys, how are you all? Myself CA Jai Chawla, Faculty for Accounts, Advanced Accounts CA Intermediate and CA Final Financial Reporting. I have a good news. Good news is for CA Intermediate students, especially for the accounts. So those students who are going to attempt their May 23 paper for accounting, so there's a good news. In this video, I am going to provide you some free resources, and these free resources will definitely help you in this paper. So what are these free resources? First of all, look at the topic-wise marks analysis. See, I have prepared this topic-wise marks analysis sheet. You can find out this sheet in the description of this video. According to this sheet, we can analyze so many things and we can predict that what can be the May 23 topics they can ask in the exam. So, according to this sheet, what I can tell you is AS 10 and AS 16, these two accounting standards, they may ask in this upcoming paper because in November 22, they haven't asked these two topics. So, AS 16 and AS 10 are very important topics. There's a one chapter called framework. It is a theory chapter, and sometimes institute used to ask the questions from this topic. They may ask the topic these questions because in the last two attempts they haven't asked any question from this particular topic framework. Then you know this very important chapter, financial statements, balance sheet, P&L, cash flows. If you look at the cash flows in the last four attempts, yes, last four attempts, question on cash flow has not come. So there is a high probability in May 23 that institute may ask the question from cash flow, a big question from cash flow. Yes. Then other topics like branch accounts. If you can see the branch accounts in last three consecutive attempts, they have asked 10 marks question on stock and debtors method, that means dependent. So now there's a high probability of asking either debtors method or the question of independent branch or a question of foreign branch. There's a high probability, I must say. So you just keep confidence and you just you should not ignore this particular topic as far as independent branch and foreign branch is concerned. Other than that, if you can see in a particular attempt like December 21, they have asked 20 marks combined question on bonus issue, redemption of preference share and redemption of debentures. That was a combined question of 20 marks. So they may ask a combined questions on them. So based on this sheet, what I analyzed for this May 23 attempt, these are the topics which you should not ignore as far as your exams are concerned, like investment accounts, incomplete records, insurance claims, department accounts, hire purchase. These are the topics you should not ignore. They will definitely ask these topics. If they are going to ask dependent branch, then definitely the debtors method is very important. Then you should not ignore. One thing you must remember that if any of the topics you haven't covered, now there is no time to touch those topics. Instead, you should touch all the other topics which you have already covered. So revise those topics only in which you are confident. Okay. The second thing is there are high chances to ask AS 10, AS 16, cash flow statement, okay, pre and post, profit and loss, pre and post incorporation, bonus and right issue. These are the topics where there are high chances to ask. Now, don't forget to revise these particular things. First, you must remember dividend distribution topic. There's a dividend distribution topics. Three conditions are there. How much amount of profit we can withdraw from the reserves. That is a three condition question, dividend distribution topic. You must revise that particular topic. Framework chapter, you must revise it for the theory purpose. AS1, the most ignorant topic, AS1. Do all the questions of AS1 because there's a theory question which may come from AS1. If you can look at the analysis, they can ask AS theory or AS1 questions. See this. They used to ask the AS1 questions or theory questions in some attempts. Okay. Then I have provided 101 important question list, and you can find out that list in the description of this video. I have given you 101 most important questions. Sir, if you can cover all these 101 questions only and nothing other than that, then also I can assure you that you can get the proper good amount of marks like exemption. So do that 101 important question, and in such 101 important questions, see, these are the 101 important questions. This is a list of 101 important questions. Okay, each and every topic is here. How many questions I have covered from each and every topic that is given? There are total 101 questions, and the bonus is, in every chapter of these 101 list, there's a yellow marked question. There are something around 10 to 20 yellow marked questions. These are the must do questions, and you must try these questions before the exams. So keep concentrated on these questions also. Now, last but not least, if you have my chart book, what is the chart book? This chart book. If you have my chart book, then don't forget to revise all accounting standards, even accounting standards of Group 1 AS, Group 1 accounts and Group 2 advanced accounts. Don't forget to revise all the AS from that chart book, because the chart book cover all the accounting standards in summary form, in 1 or 2 pages form, and this will definitely help you to cover each and every point of all the AS. So don't forget to revise all the accounting standards from this chart book. Guys, if you don't have the chart book, then no need to worry. You can order this chart book. It is just cost you 399 rupees, and in that 399 rupees you will get accounting standards as well as other topic charts for Group 1 accounts and Group 2 advanced accounts. See, this looks like a chart book. In our website, I am sharing the purchase link of this chart book on the description. You can purchase this. You will get the chart book in 4 to 5 days, and I can assure you that all your accounting standards will be revised in a very quick period, quick span of time. In you will be able to revise in 20 to 30 minutes all the portion of this accounting standards from this chart book. Now, there is one good news. I am going to announce some important chart revision lectures, especially in English. Yes, for this attempt, I am going to announce some chart revision lectures from this chart book in upcoming days. So just subscribe the channel, and the announcement for such chart revision lectures will be coming soon, and I will take most important chart revision lectures from my chart book. So you can order your chart book immediately right now, so that you can get it immediately. Okay, so all the very best, guys, for May 23. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked the video, please share this with your friends too. Thank you so much.